Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this project is design here, and this project is a new design in use, and this 3D design is best, and this body is looking perfect, and today discuss here all process learn here all process is learn here. This body is design here, and how to easily drawing this body. And okay, this is a multi-section view, and also this isometric view is drawing here, and this body is looking perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this front view and back side is so nice here, and golden color is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is designed here, so nice looking here. Okay, let's start. This body is designed here. Okay, 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 okay guys, at first select a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design, and this is a new part is design here. Okay, this is a perfect. At first select a XY plane and click this is a position sketch. Okay, this is a perfect, and sweep and reverse vertical direction, this is a correct, and use this circle is drawing here, and mention any dimension. This dimension is 220 is correct. Okay, this is a 220 is correct. Click exit, and okay, this is a sheet metal parameters is click here, because this is a all command is activated, and this value is setting here is all is perfect, and this thickness is 1 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct. And okay, select wall is a this is a invert material side, and click OK, and use this shading with edge, because this edge is used here, and this plane is hide this, because this body is looking perfect. And click this face, and this position sketch is select here, and again select sweep and reverse vertical is click OK, and use this axis is this is a correct. Okay, and again select this axis. Okay, this end point to this end. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and use this profile. Okay, this is a perfect, and use this this is a perfect. Okay, and use a corner is a some this, again select this, and okay, this is a correct, this, and okay, mention any dimension. This dimension is a 10 is correct, and also this is a 10 is correct, and also this is a 10 is correct, and this distance is okay, this is a perfect, this distance is 70 is okay, 72 is perfect. Okay, and also this is a 72 is perfect, and also 72 is perfect. Okay, all is body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and this body is so nice here. Okay, all is perfect, this is a correct. Okay, and some use a mirror command is used here. This is a mirror, and this is a select all this body, and click this axis, and again select this mirror command and use a this is a correct. And this is a mirror command is use here, and this is a select here and use this. This is a this is a mirror command is use here, and this and select this axis, correct. All is perfect. And and use a this surface stamp command is use here, and all definition box is pop up, and this angle is correct. But this at first select this, and this is a height is 32 is correct, and preview is showing here, and this first radius is 5 mil. This first radius is 2 millimeter, and this second radius is 6 millimeter is correct. This preview is showing here. This is a this is a correct. All is perfect. And some use this shading with edge without smooth edge, because some boundary is create here, and use a teardrop command, and this command is very useful. And this length is 2 millimeter, and also this is a 2 millimeter is correct, and upper line is this is a correct, and also 1 millimeter, and again 1 millimeter is correct, and this is a correct. Use this shading with material, because this apply material. This is a correct. This property is selected, and this reflectivity is very high, and use this meeting room. This is a perfect. This color is so nice here, and all is a perfect, and back side is also perfect and correct. This is a so nice here, and all is perfect. This is a front side, and back side is also correct, and this is isometric view is so nice here, and also this is a multi-section view is also perfect. This is a looking nice, and use a isometric command is isometric. This body is correct. This is a perfect. Guys, all process is learn here. This body is design, and all process and all method is learn a step by a step is clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next lecture is a small and advanced level industrial project is learn here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, thank you.